Next one with the overhand position. It's like you're going to do a tricep extension, except you're actually going to do an extension forward using your abdominal muscles to pull you forward. So it's basically like a sit-up, but using resistance tension behind you that you have to pull from. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And remember, you can also do rotating alternative crunches. I can go towards my right knee, then my left, such as this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another thing you want to do is really extend yourself going back. So I want to extend my torso, pull forward. All right, there's some great workouts right there. Way to utilize the tubes, a few different moves.